What's up, everybody? This is Hockey Junkie 99. We're opening a tin of 0708 Upper Deck the Cup. Brought this today at my local card shop. This is my fourth tin that I'm opening for myself. So here we go. My last tin was the best one. Let's see how this one goes. All right.
Oh, it doesn't like this.
Shut up, Patrick. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go, guys. We want to see some foam. If we see foam, we're golden. If we don't see foam, then we're probably SOL. It's a very loose pack. Alright, card number 1, Bobby Orr, base. I see a gold card in there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. Alright. First card is Bobby Orr base, numbered 199 of 249. Oh man. Alright. Let's see. I already know who the rookie is. Yaroslav Halak, the wrong Canadian. Autographed rookie patch, 3 colors. 144 of 249. Next, we've got a Marty St. Louis. The last card I want to see is a Marty St. Louis. Oh, hell no. God damn it, that's not what I wanted to see. 47 of 50. Probably one of the best patches. Oh, no. That was going to get sold. Don't tell my girlfriend.
I don't fucking think so.
Man. Next. Ugh. Gold rookie base, number 17 of 25. And the last card, let me see. That, you guys see that one? That was Jonathan Sigalet, 17 of 25, gold rookie. And the last card is a Gordie Howe base, numbered 77 of 249. All these cards will be on eBay. Even the Marty St. Louis.
I don't think so.
I think so. That one's going to pay for the whole tin. Maybe.
No, it won't.
Alright guys, there you have it. These cards will be on eBay tonight. Hockey Junkie 99. See you next time.